go. Woohoo! Wet. Puddle.
Silly.
Silly. Silly. Wet is right. Very wet. He totally walks with his chest. Puddles. Can you jump? Can you jump? 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 Can you do that?
Jump.
Can you jump? Jump?
Jump.
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 Badger, badger.
Jump. Wet. Very wet. Hot?
I think you mean cold.
Cold. It's cold. Do you need to go have bath time? He's like, nah. Hot. Oh. Did you get wet?
Jump. Jump.
Zoom. Crazy. Crazy. You can hear the creek over there. Crazy. Wet. The puddle. Puddle.
Paddle.
That's right. Oh God. Wet. Cold. Oh gosh. Oh, it's cold.
You ready to go inside?
Cold water.
Nice hot bath? Cold.
Cold. You ready for bath? Taxi. All done.
All done?
All done. He's gonna get cold.
You ready for a nice hot bath? Okay, let's go inside.
Do you know how to turn it off?
I think so. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Okay,
Okay.
let's come on up on the porch.
All done.
Take your boots off.
All done.
He's like, no, I'll just have a mud bath.
All done.
Taxi, you're too wet.
All right, let's go inside, dude. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go inside.
Come on, let's go have a bath.
You ready? You need a hand? You want to give him a hand, Mommy?
I have flip-flops.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you just
Lay
come.
on your back. Don't lay on your back.
You ready?
Back.
No, no, that's like being not back. Let's go. You ready?
Outside. More rain is coming.
Okay. We all good?
All done.
Can I get a huggy? Can I get a huggy? Let's go inside. That's right. Let's go inside. You my good baby? I love you. I love you. I love you. Let's go inside.
Come on. Come on. Go take your clothes off.